Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually go to Ubuntu. And we'll go to ubuntu.com/download. And we'll do Ubuntu Desktop. And just use the most recent version here. So I'm going to click download here. And you can just continue to the download here unless you want to provide particular input. It's going to take just a little bit of time, so what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video and we'll pick up after the download is completed. Okay, so the download has completed. It's sitting here in my downloads. I'm going to pick that file up and I'm just going to drop it over here on the desktop so it's easier for me to find. I'm going to start VMware Workstation Pro, and we'll go to File and New Virtual Machine, and we'll just do a typical virtual machine, and we'll do an installer disk image file. I'm going to browse and find it there on the desktop. And so I'll click open here, and we can do an easy install on this. And I'll put a username, and we'll put password, and we'll call it Ubuntu 64-bit. I'll leave the location where it is. We'll do next. I'm going to choose the default disk size. It'll grow into that size. It won't necessarily be that size to start with. We'll split it into multiple files so that we can move it to another computer. And the RAM should be fine. You might have to customize this if you don't have a lot of RAM on your machine, but it's not taking a lot of RAM, so you probably will be fine on that. We're going to do finish, and so it's going to go through the install process. Okay, so obviously we sped the video up there for just a little bit, but we are now installed, and we will come up and we will actually log in with the password that we put in. We'll right click, going to go down to Open Terminal, and this is where we'll actually be inputting most of the commands that we'll actually be using. Okay, that's it for now.